How to drain the water tank in the ITCB Infusion Series brewer. This video will demonstrate how to properly drain the water tank in preparation for removal or service. Loosen the screws that secure the back access panel. And remove. Close the water shutoff clamp. Loosen the chute clamp and remove the hose from the inlet solenoid. Place the end of the drain hose in a container that has a minimum capacity of 3.5 gallons. Open the water shutoff clamp to allow water to drain from tank. When the tank is empty, replace the hose onto the inlet solenoid and tighten the chute clamp. Reinstall the back panel.